West Bengal former Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee met senior Congress leader Sonia Gandhi in New Delhi on June 9th amid ongoing CID searches and a growing rebellion within the TMC. According to party sources, the hour-long meeting at Sonia Gandhi's 10th Janpath residence focused on strengthening coordination and unity among the India bloc partners. The meeting came as the West Bengal CID conducted searches at the TMC's central office in Kolkata's Kalighat and at the Kamak Street office of National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee as part of its investigation into the alleged assembly signature forgery case. Reacting to the searches, TMC Rajya Sabha leader Derek O'Brien alleged political vendetta, claiming that the action was deliberately timed to coincide with Mamata Banerjee's meeting with Sonia Gandhi. He also alleged that the CID attempted to forcibly enter the party headquarters and that the main entrance was surrounded by CRPF personnel. Meanwhile, the TMC dismissed concerns over leaders leaving the party, asserting that while the BJP may hold power and control the government, it still enjoys the support of Ma, Mati and Manush, which means mother, soil and people. However, the party continues to face a major internal crisis. A rebel faction led by senior TMC leader Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar has written to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla expressing its intention to join the NDA. The group claims to have the support of 20 Lok Sabha MPs, although the TMC leadership says that only 12 MPs are involved. The development follows reports that 60 of the party's 80 MLAs have rebelled and opposed Mamata Banerjee's decision to appoint Suvendev Chattopadhyay as the party's leader in the West Bengal Assembly. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.